Welcome to the ReShell Setup Guide. We're going to walk through all the steps to get your ReShell charged and ready for your next training session. First, let's take a look at what you'll need. You've got your ReShell training cartridge, the CADS charger, the reset tool, an HPA bottle, a line, safety glasses, and a few projectiles. Before we get started, safety first. Make sure to put on your safety glasses. This is highly recommended for your protection while handling the equipment. Next, let's check the valve on your ReShell. Make sure it's in the open position before charging. If it's not, grab the reset tool to adjust it. Now we're ready to connect the HPA bottle and the line. Here's how. First, thread the line onto the bottle until it's secure. Then twist the cap on the bottle to open the valve. Follow the direction indicated. Finally, connect the other end of the line to the CADS. With everything connected, let's move on to the CADS. Open the CADS cap, place the ReShell inside, and close the cap tightly. Now put the check valve in the open position so the air can flow. Next, press down on the CADS knob for a couple of seconds to fill the ReShell with air. You'll hear the air moving into the cartridge. Once it's charged, disconnect the check valve. Now open the CADS and retrieve the ReShell. Give the primer a light press. It should feel firm when it's fully charged. Last but not least, load any projectile you like and you're all set. Enjoy your training session. ReShell makes training smarter, safer, and cleaner. For more tips or product info, visit our website.